Temperatures later today will be in the upper 50s and lower 60s around Denver, Boulder, and Fort Collins. Look at this. Southern Colorado will get close to 70, and it's possible a few spots in Douglas County could be closer to 70 than 60 coming up this afternoon, our warmest day in 5 weeks. Ironically, just ahead of a blizzard that will hit tomorrow. Satellite and radar together right now showing a little snow in the mountains. There won't be a whole lot in terms of accumulation today. Heavier snow will wait until tonight when the actual storm system gets closer to us. Right now, it's still about 900 miles to our southwest. That puts it in northern Baja California. This thing's going to track across Arizona, New Mexico, and then set up over western Kansas. Could be historic, this storm, in terms of how low the pressure will be by the time it gets up here into our region. It's going to come really close to what we have on record in terms of the lowest pressure with the storm system. Here's the futurecast. You can see that snow in the mountains today. This afternoon, here 6 p.m. into this evening, there is the potential for an isolated thunder shower in Denver. That's right. It'll be warm enough today that I think you could hear a few rumbles of thunder. And then overnight tonight, rain possible tomorrow morning. And then notice this is both blue and green showing up here tomorrow morning. It's going to transition into snow, all the precipitation as we go through the morning tomorrow. By lunchtime, I'd be real surprised if we still have any rain here. I suppose it's possible. And if that transition does happen later than we're thinking, obviously we'll have less snow. But regardless, it's going to be a very wet day tomorrow. It's going to be a very windy day as well. Whenever storms have really low pressure, they create a lot of wind, and this one will be absolutely no exception. That's why there's a blizzard warning from noon tomorrow until 6 a.m. on Thursday for the area shaded in orange. This does include Castle Rock, Lyman, Fort Morgan, Sterling, and Julesburg. 6 to 12 inches of snow along with wind gusts to 70 miles per hour. It's very likely some roads on the Colorado's eastern plains will be forced to be closed tomorrow. Around Denver, Boulder, and Fort Collins, we're still under a winter storm watch. This has not been upgraded yet. So from tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening, 4 to 8 inches of snow, 8 to 18 inches of snow for the mountains of Summit County and up toward Winter Park. Farther west, 10 to 16 inches for the mountains of Eagle County down toward Aspen, and then 10 to 20 inches at least around Telluride, Lake City, Ouray, and then up to 2 feet of snow around Wolf Creek Pass. And I don't want to forget about our friends in southeast Colorado. You're going to have mainly rain, not much snow, but you will get a lot of wind. So high wind watch up for gusts to 75 miles per hour down around La Junta and Lamar. 63 degrees today in Denver, 38 coming our way tomorrow, and then 35 on Thursday. And that 38 tomorrow, Joe, a little deceiving. That happens early. Temperatures drop as the day goes on. That's why we'll see the rain change into heavy, wet, slushy spring-style snow. All right.